This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Fantastic location in a quiet neighborhood, convenient to everything. Spacious and open floor plan. Screened lanai to enjoy the pool and spa year-round. Enormous fenced-in backyard. Short bike ride to Downtown Jensen Beach, where you can find excellent restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. A couple miles to some of the Treasure Coast's finest beaches. No HOA or restrictions in the community, so bring the toys. A few of Martin County's public boat ramps just around the corner, and a quick ride to world-class fishing. Come join the leisurely lifestyle sunny South Florida has to offer. For more information, review the details below.